Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about one of the more popular stocks out there. It's Tesla, TSLA. We're going to be talking about should you buy this stock, what's going on with it. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys are new, subscribe. Right now, we talk about everything money from stocks, money management, trading, investing. So subscribe and join the team. Also, if you guys want to learn how I've been a full-time swing trader for 6 years and the strategies and mindsets that I use on how we find stocks and how we swing trade, I released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about all of that. It's a one-stop shop. I'll put it down below. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. So make sure you guys check it out down below. But guys, let's dive into this. So what is going on with Tesla? So in 2023, Tesla really didn't have, honestly, it didn't do that much, right? We still had great growth, growing from about $100, hitting highs at about $300, sold off and kind of consolidated in between, about $260 and about $200. It kind of just traded in between there. Now, obviously, a lot of the reasons why we're getting a lot of volatility among Tesla is because Tesla, in this past year in 2023, they had to cut their price of most of their vehicles. Now, anytime when you cut a price of a product, where does that money come from? Well, it comes from the profit margin. So what this means is there's not going to be as much money left over with Tesla by the time they sell a car that they can use to reinvest into the business to grow it larger. But looking at the revenues, you guys will see that, yes, we're still up on the revenue, up about 8% in the past quarter. But as we look at it, a little more here, the revenue here went from about 24.9 billion to about 23.5 billion. So we did get a little decrease in revenue. The operating income is down 52%. The net income is down 43%. As we continue to go down here, the cash flow is down 35%. So like I said, it's not a huge surprise that the cash flow is down just because they had to cut their vehicle prices. That money comes from somewhere. Now, I understand why Musk, is cutting the prices of his vehicles to keep up with, inflation, to keep up with interest rates, to make it more affordable for people to buy their product. Now, as we go up here, you guys will see that he's done a good job. This is the vehicle deliveries. You guys will see that, in their last quarter here, it was pretty solid, right? They pretty much delivered about 461,000. This right here is 419,000. So obviously increasing deliveries, but the reason why is because the prices are cheaper. Now, as we go and we look at more stuff here, you guys will see that Tesla is just very, very, very volatile. You guys will understand the average price target right now for Tesla is about $248 for 2024. For a stock right now that's $218, meaning this stock's going to go probably up, what would that be? About 15%. As well as we look at most of the analysts, you guys will see it's pretty mixed. Most of them are buy, most of them are hold, and then about 19% of them are sell. So, it's at a moderate buy. As we scroll down here, you guys will see that one of the more important indicators is a bullish or bearish indicator. And you guys will see that we could see a lot of buying pressure start entering Tesla. Now, the reason why on the technical side is looking at something called the RSI line. The RSI line is the relative strength index. So in simple terms, it determines if a stock is overbought or oversold or undervalued in simple terms. So looking at it here, you guys will see that every time it's traded, below a 20, we've seen tendencies of getting buying pressure shortly after. So let's just go ahead and look at some. So you guys will see right here, it was at a 14, and what did we have? Great buying pressure. As well as right here, we had buying pressure. So as we continue to go through this line, you guys will see that every time it falls below this point, we get recent tendencies of getting buying pressure. So answering that main question that I'm sure all of you have is, Carter, should you buy Tesla? Well, Tesla is, it's a growth stock for sure. So it's going to be a little more volatile than investing into companies like Apple or Microsoft or, more stable companies, I guess, even like Coca-Cola here. But Tesla it's growth, like I said. So it's going to be higher risk, higher reward. The best strategy and mindset that I have with Tesla is dollar cost averaging. So you're just investing consistently, rather than a lump of money, as well as, a good thing to understand is just basic support and resistance. So anytime the stock is pretty much below $200, this represents a great opportunity to buy Tesla at a very, very affordable price. You guys will see it was trading for almost $414 at one point, so it sold off almost half of its value. So, I do think under 200 would be a good opportunity to start picking up some shares. And you guys will see we have this old resistance acting as new support, so we could see a little buying pressure there as well. I just think Tesla, for me, it's a technology, it's an AI play. Artificial intelligence is rated to grow at about 37% annually for the next 10 years. So if we can make some money off of Tesla, off of its AI, off of its software, I think that's going to be a great thing for us and the company. Now, another thing I do want to bring up is the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck is a huge competitor, in my opinion, with like the F-150, but I don't know if they'll sell that many of them just because of their more recent price, issues with it. The Cybertruck was supposed to be about $39,000 starting out, 39 to 35 starting out. Now it's about $60,000, which is a lot more expensive. It's almost double the price. So there's going to be a lot of people that were looking to buy it that are now going to sit on the sidelines and not buy that truck because of the price hike. So, we'll definitely see some growth out of that just because it's another product, which will mean more revenue. But I do think we'll see, maybe a missed, projections, stuff like that. So guys, that's what I think is going on with Tesla. I'm going to be buying it. I think it's a great play under 200. It's an AI technology stock. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow in another one. Take care, guys.